Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create time tracking app workflows with Clockify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Clockify app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Workspaces section from the main dashboard. Select the workspace where you want to create or verify time tracking workflows. Click on the Workspace Settings option. In the Settings menu, find the Workflows tab. Review any existing workflows to get an idea of how they are structured. To create a new workflow, click on the Add Workflow button. Name your workflow to ensure it's easily identifiable. Define the trigger events for your workflow, such as new entries or project updates. Set the conditions that must be met for the workflow to activate. Add any necessary actions that the workflow should perform once triggered. Review the entire workflow for accuracy and completeness. Use the test workflow feature to simulate the process. Observe the results in the test to ensure everything functions as expected. If any errors occur, revisit the settings and make necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, save the workflow to activate it. Monitor its performance over the next few days for any needed improvements. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize its efficiency. That's how you verify and create time tracking app workflows with Clockify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.